Windows 11 machine trying to access, this is actually a DVR, so a CCTV system that only works on Internet Explorer or the older browsers. Why it's not, the systems don't update, I don't know. But anyway, this is running Windows 11 and it's in Edge. So essentially what you need to do is within settings, I've enabled it already on this, but in settings, if you go into here and default browser, there's let Internet Explorer open sites in Edge. So you just need to enable that. It's set to never as default. I always set it to always. Why it hasn't worked on here, I'm not sure. But anyway, so set it to always and then save it. So close the settings. And then essentially what you want to do is, this is the site. So this is the IP address of the internal DVR that they've got set up. So you want to reload in Internet Explorer mode and open this page in Internet Explorer mode next time. Yes, and then done. No, we don't want you. You're in Internet Explorer mode. Most pages, yeah, except this one doesn't. So no, and that's it working. So I will put the person's password in and log in, and that's how you do it.